Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you a very quick and easy tutorial today, and it's a face mask that I used to do very regularly when I had Ava, and my skin was completely, it had breakouts all over. I had a lot of acne and a lot of scarring, and I thought this would be the perfect mask to show you because I actually do currently have a bit of a breakout. And it's really simple and easy to follow. So we'll be using the pictures. I'll put up some pictures to show you the products that I've used. But so first, with this mask, it's ideal for when you have, if you have acne, if you have breakouts, even if you have just pimples that have just come out of nowhere, and you really want to thoroughly cleanse your skin. So first and foremost, you have to make sure that your skin is nice and clean and you've just given it a quick wash. There's no moisturizer. And I'm just going to dig right into it. So the second step is to apply some steam to your face. Now, if you don't have a steamer, do what I do, and my steamer's currently broken, so I've been using my kettle and basically just applying that to your face. So you need to steam your face for a good 4 minutes, and that will soften and open up all of your pores. So I'm just going to dig in and do that really quickly, and I'll be yeah, I've got my kettle right here. She just steamed my face, and I'm gonna go in with mixing my products together. So first, we'll be using and adding 1 tablespoon of the Moroccan clay gasol. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not too sure, don't quote me guys, but I'll put a picture up on it on the side. And I just got mine from Amazon, so that's like the easiest way to purchase these things. Okay, so I've just popped that into my bowl as such, so you can see it there. And I'm just gonna add to that a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. If I can open this bottle, just doing this there. I'm just gonna add a tablespoon of rose water. It doesn't have to be anything really fancy, as long as it's pure rose water and there's no additional chemicals added. That's basically perfect about the benefits of this. So the clay is really good to just create that even balance on your skin, to give you that smooth finish and help with the texture of your skin. And it's really good at just thoroughly cleansing your pores. So when you have these breakouts, it's really good to help just clear them. The main thing is, guys, don't do what I used to do in the beginning, is start attacking them. So try not to self pop, as disgusting as it sounds, your pimples, because really it just makes it worse. Honestly, this is me talking from experience, it just makes it so much more worse. And sorry, I keep looking down, it's because I'm mixing this and I'm just making a big mess of it. Apple cider vinegar, as I've told you previously, it's really good to help sort of release those minerals and help give your skin a nice smooth finish and regulate the balance and pH balance of your skin. So it's just a very good form of a toning that it does to your skin. Rose water once again, it's really good for reducing redness, clearing out any breakouts, and just giving you sort of that fresh feel to your skin. And then the last product that I'm going to use is tea tree oil, and make sure it's pure and there's no added chemicals, and add about roughly 10 drops into your mix. Now, if you've got sensitive skin, I would always suggest for you not to add too much tea tree, because that creates a tingle to your skin. Tea tree really helps with acne and clearing out your pores, and it also helps reduce the redness and inflammation of any pimples that you may have. So I've just mixed everything together. Doesn't look very attractive, but yeah, it's all mixed together in here. And now with my brush, what I'm going to do is literally apply a thin layer all over my face. literally bring this down even lower. I don't think I can go any lower than this, but just pop that down. So this is how it is, literally really simple to put on. Now once again, you need to steam your face again for at least 8 to 10 minutes, and this literally helps absorb all of this product into your skin, and it literally will help cleanse your skin thoroughly. So I'm just gonna go and do the same thing with my kettle steamer and steam my face. So I've just steamed my face for 10 minutes and the clay is still wet. So just let this dry naturally, and it roughly takes around 10 to 20 minutes. Within that time it will be absolutely dry. If you feel like your skin's pulling or feeling tense, then that's it. Do not keep it on for too much longer after that. Get a cotton cloth or like a muslin cloth and just cleanse your face with that with warm lukewarm water, and honestly, I'll show you how it looks afterwards. See you in a little while. Hi guys, so I have literally just washed my face and it is a little bit red and it feels absolutely dry. So the main thing after doing this face mask is to make sure that you thoroughly moisturize your skin. So I'm just gonna go in with my Hydra Balance Day Cream from Almis, and it's super hydrating. So I'm just gonna pop a little bit of that directly onto my skin, more than I would do usually, and just let this soak into my skin. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and please do request any other videos that you'd like to see, any tutorials, and I hope this has been helpful for you all. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe guys. Bye.